Welcome, Taurus people. From May 16th to 31st, 2025, your ruling planet Venus blesses you with creativity, charm, and financial opportunities. Let's explore how to make the most of this cosmic energy. This period is perfect for channeling your artistic side or diving into passion projects. Whether it's painting, writing, or redecorating your space, let your imagination flow freely. Professionally, focus on building stability. Your hard work pays off as new income streams or investments come into play. However, avoid impulsive decisions. Research thoroughly before committing resources. Around May 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter in your communications sector, sparking meaningful conversations. Speak up about ideas or concerns. It's a great time for negotiations or sealing deals. Strengthen bonds with loved ones by expressing gratitude and affection. If single, you might attract someone who shares your values and zest for life. As May 25th approaches, Mars energizes your sense of adventure. Consider planning a getaway or exploring hobbies that ignite excitement. Physical activity will also boost your mood and vitality during this busy phase. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, creating tension between routine and change. Lean into practical solutions while embracing innovation where needed. Trust your steady nature to navigate any uncertainty. Remember, Taurus, patience is your superpower. Slow down when feeling overwhelmed and reconnect with what brings you peace. Nature, music, or simply savoring life's pleasures. Stay grounded, trust your instincts, and embrace growth at your own pace. The universe supports your journey toward abundance and fulfillment. Believe in yourself, honor your needs, and shine.